started off by securing the metal wire like this around the handle. After that, what I did for straightening the wire is that I took a plier and started twisting it. Twist it continuously till you get a hard and straight piece of wire. You can choose the measurement of the wire piece according to your requirement. I cut a total of 12 pieces of wire. After arranging the pieces, I took a Fevikwik and started sticking them. So yeah, this is the final result of the mesh. Start off by cutting any candle into small pieces. Take water in a vessel and heat it. After heating it, place the bowl of candle like this and wait till it melts. After it melts completely, pour it in the jar in which you want to make a candle. After it turns semi-solid, place the wick of the candle and let it cool and turn into a solid form. After it turns into a solid form, you will obtain your candle. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Lots of love and thank you.